How to add the WhatsApp Jets widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Then tap on Edit button at the top. Next, we go down and tap on Add Widget from the pop-up. Now in the Search Widgets screen, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on WhatsApp. Next in here, you can choose a small widget size or a medium size widget. So tap on the widget and then tap on Add Widget button to add it to your home screen. Now in here, you can drag on the handle to resize the widget to make it smaller or larger. You can only go up to a maximum of a medium size widget. Now you can tap on the widget, and here you can choose chat type. So tap on recent and then choose your favorite, pin, frequent, or recent. So if you like favorites, you can tap on favorites and then tap outside the box to close that, then tap on done. And here say tap and hold to edit widgets, so we can touch and hold to edit the widget. From here, if you want, you can make changes. So because I don't have any contact added to favorites, so it's not showing anything. So instead, I can choose frequent or recent. Then tap outside the box to close it. Then tap on, sorry, that's done. So here, when you want to quickly communicate with a contact, you can use one of the shortcuts in the box here. So incoming call, I can tap on that. I can tap on this number here. So you can start chatting with this person or your contact friends. So hello there. So someone contacted me. So I will say hello there. And that's it. So that is how you can add the widget to the home screen. This will allow you to quickly reopen the chat conversation with that particular contact. So you can tap on it and then you can just start chatting with that person right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.